Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 23rd January 2025. Today lunchtime prediction first number 8, number 19, number 20, number 37, number 42, booster number lunchtime, number 7. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 4, number 18, number 25, number 39, number 43, booster number 1. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.